When you need practical, economical, and surefire metric tube fittings, one name stands above the rest. Walterscheid from Eaton Corporation. Walterscheid offers high quality, flexibility, and dependable performance in a trilogy of 3 unique systems: Wall Pro, Wall Ring, and Wall Form Plus, providing the most extensive coverage for metric tube fittings in the industry, and backed by a leader in fluid power solutions, Eaton Corporation. With all 3 systems, you'll find unparalleled performance, ease of assembly, superior quality, the ultimate in dependability and safety, plus global availability. All Walterscheid systems meet and exceed the ISO 8434-1 specifications for 24-degree compression fittings. Available in sizes 6 to 42 millimeters and in both L series, light for pressures up to 500 bar or 7,250 psi, and S series, heavy for pressures up to 800 bar or 11,600 psi. All Walterscheid systems have a 4-to-1 safety factor. In short, Walterscheid is the answer to all your tube fitting applications. Let's start with Wall Pro, Eaton's 2-edge cutting ring system that has redefined the standard of cutting ring technology. Wall Pro was designed for ease of assembly, specifically for use in critical, high dependability applications. It offers these unique advantages: safe and simple installation, and equally safe reinstallation with no special tools required. An optimized 2-edge cutting area that improves sealing and results in higher operating performance. This is especially critical for conditions where elevated operating pressures are required. A unique profile ring geometry that provides high axial strength to eliminate over-tightening. And radial flexibility to ensure full contact and sealing around the tube. Here's how it works. The Wall Pro system consists of a fitting body available in a variety of configurations and port styles, a profile ring, and nut. During assembly, the 2 cutting edges of the profile ring penetrate the tube, creating a safe and reliable seal, while the top area of the profile ring seals along the 24-degree surface of the fitting body. The nut holds the cutting ring secure along the tube and allows the connection to handle vibration and bending stress. Those with little or no experience in assembling tube connections will find Wall Pro easy to use thanks to the unique profile ring design. This profile ring assists assembly in several ways. First, it provides an assembly stop to create a sharp increase in torque to help signal the user that the assembly is complete. Next, the high axial strength also eliminates over-tightening. Other cutting rings will deform if over-tightened. And finally, the radial flexibility allows the ring to conform to out-of-round tubing. Since most tubes are not perfectly round, the profile ring creates a perfect 360-degree seal. Proper assembly can also be confirmed by visually checking a bulge of tubing material that builds up in front of the profile ring. Wall Pro withstands higher operating pressures, up to 50% higher than comparable tube fitting systems. That's not only impressive, but it's a big plus in high-pressure situations. Wall Ring, Eaton's second system in the trilogy of sealing solutions, is a specially designed and engineered system that provides improved sealing for all applications when additional protection is required. Wall Ring uses 2-edge cutting and proven soft seal technology combined to make a superior connection. Wall Ring consists of a fitting body, a Wall Ring system nut, and a soft seal. The Wall Ring system nut contains a 2-edge cutting ring and a support ring that are bonded into the nut for easy handling and installation. During assembly, the 2 cutting edges penetrate the tube, similar to Wall Pro. The user will experience a sharp increase in torque after 1 to 1.5 turns to signal correct assembly. The nut is removed for a visual assembly check and proper soft seal installation. Again, like Wall Pro, a ring of material can be seen in front of the cutting ring and support ring. This assembly check has been further improved with Wall Ring by allowing the support ring to come off the tube if there was insufficient material to create the bulge. The soft seal is then added for the final assembly. Adding the soft seal differs from some other systems, but with Wall Ring, it has some distinct advantages. It eliminates the chance of damaging the soft seal during assembly while the material is being cut and deformed. It allows pre-assembled tubes to be safely stored prior to installation without concerns about dust, debris, or mechanical damage. The final wall ring assembly offers both elastomeric and metal-to-metal sealing areas, the winning combination for a superior connection. The final product in the Eaton Walterscheid trilogy of systems is WallForm Plus. WallForm Plus provides easy, fast, reliable assembly while minimizing the overall number of component parts. It's especially effective when higher volume and consistency are required. Each end form can be achieved in 5 to 8 seconds. WallForm Plus consists of the same fitting body, nut, and seal used with Wall Pro and Wall Ring, but the difference is in forming the end of the tube. Simply put, it makes its own ring. The assembly process is simple and easy to perform, even for inexperienced users. Just slide the nut over the tube and insert the tube into the WallForm Plus machine. With the press of a button, the tube is formed to the proper dimensions in seconds. Add the WallForm Plus soft seal and it's ready for final assembly. WallForm Plus provides a leak-free connection using a primary elastomeric seal and secondary metal-to-metal seal. WallForm Plus is an advanced tube fitting system for virtually all applications. All three Walterscheid systems have special features, functions, and advantages unique to each series. But the one common denominator is pressure. That's the critical difference with Walterscheid. All three systems are capable of operating at significantly higher pressures than the competition. Whether light or heavy series, Walterscheid fitting systems exceed industry minimum standards and consistently outperform the competition. Whether measured in bar or PSI, Walterscheid tube fitting systems have been laboratory and field tested to ensure that they will meet or exceed your most exacting pressure requirements. Couple this with Walterscheid's ease of assembly, and you have a unique winning combination. Virtually everyone can quickly and easily learn how to assemble Walterscheid components. Plus, the design almost completely eliminates the possibility of over-torquing, a common point of failure in many other tube fitting systems. Walterscheid is just one in the family of hydraulic connections from Eaton. You'll find a full range of hose, hose ends, fittings, and connectors in our fluid conveyance portfolio. For your next metric tube fitting project, specify one of Eaton's Walterscheid systems, Wall Pro, Wall Ring, or WallForm Plus, a trilogy of tube fitting systems that are becoming the standard of the industry from Eaton Corporation.